When you schedule gutter services in Arlington Heights, Illinois, are you asking for gutter repairs or a full replacement? Your gutters are a vital part of your home's defense against moisture and help keep water flowing away from your foundation to prevent damage. When your gutters leak or overflow, everyone's favorite, clogged gutters, water infiltrates seams and pools against your foundation, causing structural damage to your home. Or it will simply batter your foliage and erode your landscaping. So it makes sense that gutter problems need to be addressed quickly to prevent massive repair bills. Route 1 is repairs. Minor leaks or detached downspouts are quickly and cheaply handled throughout Arlington Heights, Illinois by Apex exterior crews every day. In most cases, repairs are the most cost-effective option, though many home exterior remodelers often say otherwise. Repairing gutters takes a more skilled worker than those installing them, so many contractors refuse to consider the option. But at Apex Exteriors, high skill levels are a given. Now, if nearly every stretch of your gutters is damaged or if the leaks are severe, replacement is likely your best bet. Or if you're upgrading the look of your home, there's no more effective finishing touch than new gutters in the color and style of your choice. And if you want to keep your gutters clean and flowing freely, you can't beat a quality gutter guard. If you go the full route, you'll have gutters that look great, work great, and barely need your help to last decades. But if you're not sure which gutter service is right for you, just call Apex Exteriors for an honest assessment of the gutters on your Arlington Heights, Illinois home.